Good morning, guys. We're in Catlia Gardens. Look at that one. Oh, it's very yummy. The cranberries. Okay. So, okay. Okay, guys. I wanna taste it. It's super sour and taste, guys. It's super yummy. Yes, super aslong. Guys, super sour and taste, guys.
Teka, hindi pa. Ang gato lang challenge ko kumakain eh. Ayan nga.
Ang kuan, napaka-sour and taste naman sa cranberry. Iba ito eh.
Okay.